Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about the topic patterns. The subtopic will be patterns with numbers. You know how to count numbers, children, don't you? Let us look at these numbers and see if they are in the correct order. We have number 1, 3, 5, 7, 11. These numbers don't look like they are in the correct order. What is missing here? Every pattern with numbers will have a rule. What we have to do is find out the rule and fill in the missing numbers. Let us look at this pattern. We have the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 11. We have to find out what number comes between 7 and 11. But we can see that some numbers in the middle are missing. What are these numbers? 1, 3. What comes between 1 and 3? Very good. Between 1 and 3 comes number 2. What comes between 3 and 5? Between the numbers 3 and 5 come number 4. What comes between 5 and 7? Yes, the number 6. So we can see a rule forming in this pattern. That is, every time one number is skipped. So number 2 is skipped and then number 3. Number 4 is skipped, then number 5. Number 6 is skipped, then number 7. What number comes after 7? Yes, after 7 comes number 8. But we are not going to write number 8 here because we have to skip this number according to the pattern. We will write the next number after 8. What comes after 8? 9. Very good. Let us check if our answer is correct. What comes after 9? After 9 comes number 10. And what is the next number here? Number 11. That means that our answer is correct because we have skipped one number and gone to the next number. We can also look at this pattern having the rule of plus 2. Every time we have to add 2 numbers to get the next number. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 9 plus 2 is 11. So the rule is every time you write a number, you have to add 2 to it. Let's look at another pattern now. Wow, look at this caterpillar. One of its numbers is missing and he wants you to help him write the correct number. Let us look at it and see if we can find a pattern. The numbers are 9, 8, 7. Here there's a number missing and then 5. These numbers are not going in the correct order. It looks like they are going backwards. Just like how the caterpillar's body is becoming smaller and smaller, the numbers are also becoming smaller and smaller. 9, 8, 7. Can you see a pattern here? I think that every time we have to minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. And 7 minus 1 will give us what? Yes, 7 minus 1 is 6. And 6 minus 1 will give us 5. So we can see that the answer is 6. And the rule is to minus 1. Let us now take another example. Wow, look at these party streamers. We can see that some of them have numbers and some don't. Now we have to find out what numbers are missing. Let us try and find the rule. The numbers are 5, 10, 15. Let us count and see what numbers are missing in between. After 5 we have 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. The number 10 is come over here. So how many numbers are skipped? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here in this pattern we have to count plus 5 to get the next number. Let us see. 5 plus 5 will give us 10. Correct. So the next number is 10. Let us add 5. 10 plus 5 will give us 15. Very good. Now the next number is 15. What is the rule? The rule is to add 5. So 15 plus 5. Let us count. 15 plus 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 15 plus 5 is 20. Very good. Now the next number is 25. Let us check if 20 plus 5 will give us 25. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Very good. So let us find out the last answer now. 25 plus 5 will give us what number, children? Come on, count with me. Hold 5 numbers on your hand and let's count from 25. Let us begin. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So the next number is 30. We have completed this pattern. You can see that the rule is every time a number is written, you have to add plus 5 to the previous number and you will get the answer. Okay, now let's go to the next. Oh wow, what beautiful balloons! They are also having numbers on them and 2 numbers are missing. Let's find out what is the rule in this pattern. Let's look at the numbers first. We have 2, 5, 8, 11. Then we have to find out this number here, 17 and another blank balloon. Let us see what number comes after 2 and 5. What numbers are missing? So after 2 we have 3, then 4, 5. So after 2 we have number 3 and then number 4 and then comes number 5. So 2 numbers are skipped. We can see that 2 numbers, that is number 3 and 4, are skipped and the third number, that is number 5, is written. Since the third number is written, we have to add 3 to get the next number. So 2 plus 3 is 5, which is written over there. So 5 plus 3 will give us what number? Let us see. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. Very good. Then again we will do 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 will give us 11. Now we have to find out what comes in this white balloon. We know that the previous number is 11. So, and we also know the rule is to add 3 every time. So we will do 11 plus 3. 11 plus 3. 3 plus 1 will give us 4, and we bring the 1 down. So the next number is number 14. Then 14 plus 3, count on your fingers. 15, 16, 17. Very good. 17 plus 3 will be, count on your fingers again. 18, 19, 20. So we have completed this number pattern.